Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what my preschooler eats in a day. Just thought it would be fun sharing with you guys what he eats in a day. Just a little disclaimer, we are not perfect parents, we're just as normal as any other parent in this world. It's not that he just eats all the goody things only and there are no junk foods that he eats. It's not like that. So yeah, let's get started with the video. That's his dalia or broken wheat. This is what more or less almost every day he eats in the morning. This is the first ever thing in the morning that he eats. Only on few days when we have something else like pasta or something like that. Only on those days he doesn't eat dalia. Otherwise, mostly he eats dalia. I try to put as many vegetables as I can at once. Like today, I've put beet, tomato, and carrot because these are the stuff that he normally doesn't eat. Like just in raw form, he won't eat. So I just grate all of them and put all of them in a pressure cooker along with dalia, salt, and some turmeric powder and a little water, and just pressure cook it, and it's ready. Thankfully, he enjoys it. I'm so glad that something nutritious. He loves to eat it, and in this form, I can make him eat a lot of vegetables. I don't know what it is, but he doesn't want to feed himself. He's otherwise a very independent child. He wants to do everything all by himself. But when it comes to self feeding, he doesn't want to do that. He doesn't want to hold a spoon. He doesn't want to feed himself. I don't know what it is. I'm still into training him how to self feed. Let's see when he catches up. Okay, so almost after 2.5 hours of having dalia, I feed him mango banana milkshake. This is how I make him eat mango and banana because otherwise, as usual, he won't eat fruits. So, one mango, one banana, and just in order to sweeten the things a little more up, I add a little jaggery into it, and milk, of course, because it's a milkshake. So, milk, of course, and everything goes in there in the blending jar. That's mango pulp, banana, and jaggery. So when the milkshake is ready, I just put in a few cardamom seeds. I just peel off the thing and only take the seeds and put them in the milkshake. It also aids in digestion and of course improves the taste a lot, of course. And that's ready. So that's his lunch for today. For lunch and dinner, he pretty much eats whatever is made for the rest of the family. So, but yes, usually he prefers having rice or rice things. So that is soya bean pulao that I've made today, and that's curd, and that is capsicum. So he usually doesn't want to eat chapati, but that's okay because I give him dalia every morning. So in that form, wheat is already consumed. So that's okay for me. So that's his evening snacks. That is halwa or shira made of suji, rava, or semolina. This is what he eats every evening. This is suji or rava or semolina, whatever you call it. And these are dates, seedless dates. I just microwave 5 to 6 seedless dates
so that they become a little soft, and then I just blend it. That's gone in the microwave. It's soft now. So I'll just blend it along with some jaggery. I prefer using jaggery over sugar for any recipe that I make for my child. So that's jaggery, dates and bananas in then, and I'll just blend that all. He's just woken up from his afternoon nap, so he's very lazy right now. He won't even move, and that's his evening snack. He prefers eating his evening snack in the hall itself, sitting on the sofa. So that's for the dinner that all of us are having. We are having chapati and he's having rice. As I told you, he doesn't like to eat chapati. So it's just steamed rice, and that is dal. It's mixed dal, yellow dal, and I'm sorry it's not clearly visible, and that's cabbage and potato. And that is all we are having for dinner.
That's all for today's video, guys. That's all he eats, more or less almost every day. Just hope it was a little help to you guys, if not much. Do let me know in the comment section below how you like this video, and also if you've enjoyed this video, please like the video, and do subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. It does, obviously. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, see you, and happy parenting to you.